Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to disable the control center from the lock screen. If you go to the lock screen, swipe down from the top right side, you can see the control center. Right? So let me show you how to disable the control center from the lock screen. Just go to the settings. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option Face ID and passcode. Enter your screen passcode. Now scroll down. So under allow access when locked, here you can see the option control center. Disable this option. Okay. So simply in this way we can disable the control center from the lock screen. After this one, just go to the control lock screen. Just swipe down from the top right side. You can see nothing will happen. Now the control center is successfully disabled on the lock screen. So simply in this way we can lock or disable the control center on the lock screen on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.